say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate.
It's Touch of Evil Pyro Demon 500 gram cake, 25 shots. Here is the performance. If I can get it to zoom in. There it is. This is the 2017 version, I believe. I could be wrong. But at the end here I see massive brocade crown. I believe the previous year or years, I believe it ended in a dahlia. I believe. I could be wrong about that too, but I've never had this one before. Seeing the older videos of that dahlia one is just incredible. I have seen this one already, so I'm just really excited just to see what it's going to look like. Here it is, Pyro Demon, Touch of Evil, fanned cake, 5 rows, 5 shots of each. That's it. Yep.
Hi. I'm about to shake it.